Hi, I'm Trey Morton, Chair of the SPEC Application Performance Characterization Group, or SPECapc. We develop benchmarks that measure total system performance based on popular professional applications. In this video, I'll discuss SPECapc for Solidworks. This benchmark includes 9 graphics tests and 2 CPU tests. The graphics-oriented tests use 3 Solidworks view settings: Real View, Ambient Occlusion, and Shadows, in combination with shaded and shaded with edges display styles. 2 CPU tests within the benchmark perform tessellation and PhotoView 360 rendering. The benchmark incorporates 10 models, with the largest containing 4.75 million triangles. It includes features like order-independent transparency, or OIT, a modern methodology for quickly displaying transparency, and full scene anti-aliasing, or FSAA, for higher quality visuals. Scoring is normalized based on a reference machine, so bigger scores are better. Please visit the SPEC website and download a free copy of SPECapc for SolidWorks.